Are we live? I think we're live. All right, cool. Yeah, welcome back to the stream again, everybody. So, yeah, we're on day 2 of this thing. Actually, that occurs to me. Still need to get my workflow down for this stuff, but I think what I should do before I start is change the title of the stream. Edit month 1, day 2. Done. Tags. Tag thing on Twitch is like not super useful. Start up. Been putting myself in this category of start up, which I think is some weird game no one's ever played. Ooh. Let's get some better light. How's that? Maybe the orange one. Is that getting better? Yeah, that's probably the best we'll do. Alright, cool. Enough watching me stream while I stream. Yeah, anyway, so I had a pretty successful day yesterday, honestly. I didn't think I was going to get any kind of like followers or subscribers or anything like that, but you know, as it stands this morning, I think I've got like 10 followers on Twitch already from doing what, in my opinion, was the absolute bare minimum of promotion yesterday, so that was really cool. I got some people like participating in the chat, which is really neat. Didn't expect that for day 1 either, so yeah, so far it's been yeah, been a successful experience streaming. I think what I want to do is I want to pop out the chat. How do I do that? Wait, what? Oh, you got a meeting? Okay, cool. My chat, I think this is it, right? Yeah, here we go. Alright, so I'll move that out of the way. Yeah, let's get started, shall we? Yeah, so anyway, yeah, went pretty well yesterday, made some progress. Although some of the followers made a good point that I don't have a web presence yet, really. Don't have a blog, don't have any kind of website or anything I can like easily send out to let people know about the project, and you know, something that'll be like linkable and shareable. So I think in the theme of yesterday, where we start the day with some promotional activities, I thought it would be good to start the day off with that once more. So yeah. Oop. Email I wrote yesterday. All right. Yeah, this thing where I like take notes on the screen is working out. So how about we keep doing that? So we got what's day, the 6th? 1/6/2020. Morning goals. So community stuff. It's you know, building this thing is like half the game, right? The other half of the game is like promoting it and getting it out there. So I think keeping a focus on this while I build these startups is going to be pretty important. Let's see. Make a simple blog. Put line main or blog. All right, cool. So, this is what I think I want to do for the morning. So not directly related to like actually making the thing, but promoting the thing. So I think I got some like Slack messages and things overnight that I want to respond to. And yeah, in terms of putting up that web presence, it might turn into a more full-fledged blog or a more full-fledged like website eventually. But I think the most useful thing to have right now will be like some kind of blog format. So I'm going to try to find some kind of thing which will let me do like a Markdown blog. If you're not familiar with Markdown, it's this like simple markup language, I guess. So it essentially lets you like write HTML without doing all the curly braces and you know, kind of syntax heavy stuff that it takes to like create a tag and just build like a simple like HTML page. So it's really good for just getting text and like transforming it into like web content really quickly. So I'm gonna look for a simple blog platform. I'm gonna buy a domain for the blog, and then I'm gonna put it online. And I think I'll go with GitHub Pages since it's like a super simple way to get a static site up, which might work with Markdown, might not work with Markdown. We'll see what's out there, what's possible. But yeah, I think that'll be the simplest hosting solution. And this is something that I don't want to spend a lot of time like futzing around with or devoting a bunch of time and like maintenance effort to. So I think just like the absolute simplest option is going to be the best one for me to go with. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's start with some promotional activities. So Mr. Pez, saw you on the stream yesterday. I thought I'd respond to your message first thing. But I don't want to share the message, I want to reply in line. Oop. Maybe. Promotions. New user. How many guys have on the way? Easy setup. The wrist. I should probably just have a text file or something with that link since I'm going to be sending it out a lot for the rest of the channel. A new project as of yesterday. Startups in 12 months. one of them will catch on and give me some money. You can live streaming the whole thing. You can check on my Twitch channel. As we speak. Also send Calva. Oop. All right. All right, cool. Send that. That'll be a small but hopefully relatively significant. Oh, that's cool. Sounds like something I'd be into. Most of the stack I'll be using as well. All right, cool. So we got some promotion out of the way. Well, how about we community outreach, shall we call it? Very good. Celebrate your achievements. We are all extremely ready and willing to mourn our losses, but we're not so ready or willing to celebrate our achievements. So we gotta take a moment to recognize what you've done a task, do a little dance, have a little jig. All right. Promotional stuff. Okay. Yeah, where do I start here? I guess domain name purchasing is pretty simple. I'll go back to that dig tool we were using yesterday. All right. So the general idea with this is that we're going to be buying a domain name from Namecheap, but we don't want to do the search here because I don't know how true this is, or it's just like total conspiracy theory nonsense. But I think these domain name registrars will kind of use your searches to affect their pricing. So if you like search too much for one domain name and don't purchase it, then they might like jack up the price on you or something. So what I'm using is this dig utility, which is actually something you have on your command line if you're a Linux user, but it's just some web app version of that. And what we can do is we can search for domain names using this to see if they're available, and then once we've settled on a domain name, we can go back to Namecheap just to do like one quick search to buy it and get in and out real quickly. So yeah, let's go for it. Possible domain names. How about we save this to 2026 one stream notes.md. And let's save our desktop. Cool. Yeah, so I think we'll keep it focused on the project. 12 months. 12 startups in 12 months. Kind of like the first one. Startup a month. One startup per month. Kind of looks like one startup per month. So maybe one startup 1 month. Startup in a month. Startup in a month. Yeah, kind of like that. I'll move that close to the top. Startup in a month. 12 startups, 12 months. 12 startups in 12 months. One startup per month. One startup 1 month. Yeah, these ones I think are not that great. Startup in a month. One month, one startup. 1 monthy, 1E startup. Startup in a month. You know, I think this is kind of the catchiest and easiest to read, so happy we look for that, and it's available. Startupinamonth.com. Oh. All right, so we need to put the TLD in here as well to get any kind of meaningful results. So startupinamonth.com. IO. Yeah, looks like that's available. Biz. .lol. I love that that's a TLD. Yeah, this looks generally available, so I think it's safe for us to move on to Namecheap. .actor. Startupinamonth.net. Ooh, .dev. .business. Startupinamonth.live. I could play in well to the whole live streaming angle I'm going for. Could live that startup life. .app, .page. .us, I could go for .us. .biz, maybe not. .me, no. IO. .net. What should go for? Why did I click on that? It should be international. Professional. .dev. .pro. .tech. .net. Yeah. Startupinamonth.net. Yeah, sure. Let's go for it. Actually, let's just procrastinate a little bit more. Network. Yeah, interesting. Originally intended for use by domains pointing to a distributed network of computers. .actor. View item. SSL. Checkout. Okay. So I'm not going to do this checkout process on the stream, because that's a good way to show your credit card number to everybody, but I'll do it over here and I will narrate the process. All right, 1 year auto renew. WizGuard. Donating web hosting or VPNs or SSL. I'd like to confirm my order. All right, so into my accounts. Verification code time. All right. So go to domain name. I got our payment info. Come on, man. Dated my address with these guys yesterday, and they didn't save anything. All right, I think we've got this taken care of. Continue. Oh. Yeah, sorry guys, having problems with this registration form. I think I got it now. Continue. All right, are we going? We're going. Order review. There we go. Start up in a month.net. Pay now. All right, very nice. Second domain name of the week has been purchased. Fantastic. All right, very good. So got that all done. Buy domain name for the blog, done. Nice. Okay, cool. Any movement on Slack? Nope. That's okay though. All right, very good. Yeah, making progress, guys. I've put hair up as one of my morning goals. That's an easy one to achieve. Alright, great. So we got the domain name, and now we need the blog. But before we have the blog, we need tech for the blog. Let's see. Markdown, GitHub, pages, blog. Build a blog with Jekyll and GitHub pages. Perfect. I've heard of Jekyll. This is Jekyll. Jekyll is a website generator. Oh, the Tarragon goes landing page. That's wild. You wouldn't figure the federal government for being so. No, thank you. One of 0. Thank you very much. Is that you, Cliff? You said you were gonna stalk my my stream. Simplicity, no database. Yep, that's all the stuff I want. Jekyll new, Jekyll build. Nice to see you, man. Thanks for joining me. That was a really nice email you sent me yesterday. I think I remembered your getting fired twice story, or I remembered you saying that during lunch or something, but I forget what exactly that was. But yeah, it's pretty funny. That was the same guy each time. I can't imagine going back to work for someone that fired me from a previous job. Got a GitHub account. Oh wait, common problems. I should pay attention to this. Yeah, that's just what I want, right? Posts. Optional steps, use your own domain. That's what I'm going to do. Blog locally in your favorite editor. Could be doing plenty of that. With Jekyll. Simple blog aware static sites. Ruby, C++, and Make. All right, build. Content. How's the content work? All right, that's cool. It's really nice. I can use HTML file in addition to a Markdown file. Posts. Blogging is baked into Jekyll. Including images and resources. Oh, I can use like a built-in templating language too. That's kind of cool. So if and when I have some need for anything a little more complicated than just like literal static content, that'll be really nice to have. front matter. Directory structure. Yeah, I'm gonna call this good enough. Oh. Turned out on my notifications, so I'm not blasting you guys with texts and emails all day. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think I want this. So let's figure this out. Do I have Ruby? I think I must. I think Ruby just comes with. Okay. Documents. Jeez, I already forgot what my domain name was. What did I call it? Start up in a month. Up in a month. All right. Alright, we got a directory for it. Now we need to install the thing that runs the show. Oh, file permissions. This is like my favorite part of Linux. Folder recursively. It's like chmod -r. Right. So folder recursively. Not what I wanted to write. Okay. Okay, let me do it now. Oh, where's my... let's do this the dumb way. I really wish I knew how, I guess I know a decent bit of, like, Linux and how that works, and folder permissions, and bash, and all that stuff, but I feel like I could definitely have a better grip on it than I do. And I'm always kind of, nervous that I'm like, borking my system to the point where I'm not going to be able to, do simpler common things anymore because I've like, affected the permissions in such a way that like I can't understand what's going on anymore and I can't fix it either. Which I suppose has never actually happened. I guess it's kind of close to happening sometimes where I've tried to follow some like common activity or pattern in terms of like installing a package or configuring some software, but yeah, coming close doesn't feel that great either. This could indeed take a while. Maybe I should just keep reading the docs while I'm waiting for this thing to install. Alright, so once we install that, we'll get us access to this command line utility, and then we should be off to the races. Oh, actually, now what I want is Jekyll theme. Jekyll themes. There's an extensive theme system. Curate directory, I like the sound of that. Classic laptop, cell phone, cup of coffee picture. Yeah, it's kind of fun. It's more of a portfolio thing. Yeah, kind of like this. It's a stylish minimal portfolio. Yep. More portfolio stuff. Well, I guess I'm going to have a portfolio eventually, right? Because I'm eventually going to have like a gallery of types. Blog. Two-column Mason grid layouts. Responsive blog section. Yeah, I don't know if I'm looking to spend any money on this right now. Oh. Explains why I was seeing so many portfolio things. It's installed successfully? Yeah, alright. Minimal mistakes. Guess in theory I'd like to not make so many mistakes. Sample posts, sample collections. Yeah, this is looking nice. Commenting support, that's cool. Yeah, free is indeed better. We'll go with this one. Get minimal mistakes on Github. Learn more. Install now. Oh, we can stop this by a gem too. That's cool. The following to your gem file. Oh boy, getting deeper into the Ruby hole, aren't we? Well, I don't have a gem file yet, so maybe we should jump back to the Jekyll docs. Actually, get that going. Okay. Which Jekyll? Very cool. And let's see if Jekyll can handle this. A folder that already exists. Jekyll new. It's a good sign. Thought I was going to have to delete that folder and start all over again, but yeah, looks like it can also do it with a what? User account isn't allowed to install to the system Ruby gems. Or you can enter your password and install the bundle gems to each. Yeah, well, that works too. Yeah, it's going to be prompting me a lot. Bundle install. Bundle install what? All right. Let's give this one more try. Ah. Ooh. Yeah, I guess we got part of the way through the process anyway. Yeah, so we'll just run this now that, what? Sudo Jekyll. Alright. Using the extra dumb way of entering my password multiple times at the prompt. We have now created our Jekyll blog. Right, so when we were in here, we had to gem install, right? But first, we need to add that thing to the gem file. So let's go do that. Oh, wow. Jekyll theme. A long time since I did any Ruby. Fetch and update a bundle of gems running the following bundler command. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm going to regret doing it the dumb way as we get further down. And set the theme in your project's Jekyll config YAML file. Is the theme in here already? Theme minima. Theme minimal mistakes. Right, so we got the theme. About themes. Oh, hello. Remote themes are similar to gem-based themes, but now require gem file changes or whitelisting. Seems like what we want to do the whole time, wasn't it? Log on GitHub pages. Yeah, let's get it from the source itself, shall we? First byte timeout. Never gotten that one before. Well, there we go again. That's a strange error indeed. All right. All right, get a pages gem. GitHub pages related config. sure to run bundle update often. I will. Oh man, this is already a lot harder than I would like it to be. Whoa. Github Pages Universal Darwin 20 is like 3 versions behind the version of Jekyll that I seem to have installed. This is just basic GitHub Pages stuff. GitHub Pages Universal Darwin 20 was dropped to 1. Yeah, this looks like what I need. These were like almost 3 years ago now. So are there any newer comments? Support for Jekyll 4. Got Jekyll 4, so maybe if I just download the latest version of Jekyll 3. What is your latest 3.9.0? 3.9.0. Jekyll. Oh. If you want to use GitHub Pages, remove the gem Jekyll above and uncomment the line below. Nope. Oh, hello. Do I need this still? Strange that it anticipated my GitHub Pages problems, but did not specify the source thing. I'm liking this. Excellent. Ruby SAS. I remember that from our E-Trade days. Cliff. I don't think that's anything I need to worry about, so let's just keep going. Oh, wait, hold on. We had that theme in there. Oh, right. So, yeah, we had to figure out how to use this theme with GitHub Pages. Remember the theme method. Right. Group Jekyll plugins. I think we have that already, right? Yes, we do have that. Jekyll include cache group Jekyll plugins. Add Jekyll include cache to the plugins array of your config YAML. Config YAML plugins array. Jekyll feed, Jekyll include cache, okay. Fetch an updated bundled gems by running the following bundler command. What's that warning I got up there? Multiple primary sources. It's a security risk. Ew. Add remote theme to your config YAML. All right, remote theme. Remove any other theme or remote theme entries? Yep. Wow, hold on. They're expecting that I actually clone this thing as opposed to using the command line. Usage. Detailed instruction how to configure, customize, add, migrate contents. Read the themes documentation. That was just here. Okay. Set up your site. Depending on the path you took to install minimal mistakes, you'll set up things a little differently. Starting fresh. Minimal mistakes, config YAML. Whoa. Well, it looks like yeah, man, it's so much. 300 lines of config to use this theme. But I guess if I'm just doing this one time, that's okay, right? And everything always takes way longer than you expect it to, so I would just go for it. All right. Cool, so That we get rid of the comments from before. That we get rid of this. I assume that title is taken care of with our new config. Email. Description. And we'll keep that. Base URL. URL. Hold on. Oh, I got this funny white space thing going on with the braces. Okay. So URL definitely shows up. Base URL definitely shows up. Twitter username, GitHub username. What about theme, plugins? So I'll comment this out. Base URL and URL comes already. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, okay. So we got the config YAML copied over. If you're hosting your GitHub pages, you can copy the data for the localization feature to work. Place site root index with modified minimal mistakes, index HTML. All right, easy enough. Layout home, author profile, true. What's this about? I don't know what that is. Change layout, post. To layout single, check. Remove about markdown, at very least change. About MD. All right. Haven't done any of that. Yeah, that's it. I'm skeptical, but let's give it a try. No repo name found. No repo name found. Origin. That's good.
Okay, my meeting is canceled.
Oh, really? Okay.
Going to interview?
Yeah, go okay with me. Making a blog right now.
Nice.
Actually, Cliff from E-Trade showed up.
Aw.
Yeah. And he was chatting with me a little bit. Not sure if I have any other viewers, but yeah, he was kind enough to show up.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah. Anyway, I think I'll do this until like maybe 12, 12:30 or so, and then another session in the afternoon. So
Yeah, that's fine.
yeah, all right, cool. Cliff says hi.
Aw.
Right, so we got an error about not having a GitHub repo, which makes all kind of sense. So let's make one. Oh, should I have a separate GitHub account for doing this? Probably should, honestly. Let's not use my personal one. But let's make sure to start up in a month. Should probably also have a tree. Probably also have emails invalid are already taken. Can't have multiple GitHub accounts. That's too bad. Emails invalid are already taken. Well, I'll just put it up on my personal one for now, and then we can move it over at some other more opportune time, just to keep things moving forward. All right, new repository. Let's call this startup in a month. Description. It's a startup in a single month. My blog for my 12 startups in 12 months project will be public. We will create the repository. This is git promote add origin. Git commit. Okay, so now that we've got an origin, which was the thing the CLI tool was complaining about before, maybe we can do it now. Oh, generating. Hello. Oh. Running a localhost 4000. Good signs. Oh. Damn. I got up. Nice. Ooh. It's really good too. Awesome. Very good, very good. I am an amazing person. Thank you, Jekyll. Okay, the simple blog bootstrap thing. Done. Thumbs up. Man, can't believe it's got some weird stuff going on with the emoji keyboard that I don't understand. Yeah, right? So we got some steps that we missed along the way. Get it running locally. Get it running on get pages. Woot. Woot indeed. Yeah, I'm wondering if I should put the chat in the stream. Yeah, I got the screen real estate for it, right? Let's add it so I can have this for posterity. Window capture. Chat. Stream chat. Window. Okay. I know what I was thinking. I put it over here. Yeah. Okay, so I'll try to keep stuff out of my left window space here. All right, nice. Yeah, this streaming software is like super nice. It's really, really easy to add stuff to the screen. Okay, get it running locally. We're done with the thumbs up. Very nice. Celebrate. Okay. Need to get it running on GitHub Pages. We need to connect it to the domain name. Need to get some sample content up, and we need to that's pretty much it, right? Like an initial post, hook it up to the domain name, get it right on GitHub Pages, and get something online. Sales certs. I don't know if GitHub does that automatically for you. I think they do. Put it online. Yep. All right, cool. So here's our next goal. Is look at this thing running on GitHub Pages. So I guess I'll just push that to the repo and see if it runs magically. Next thing we gotta do is hook it up to the domain name. So we need to get whatever server is posting the GitHub Pages version of this thing pointed towards startupinamonth.net. Need to get a blog up just to have something to show people, and then possibly SSL certs. Although I think if I remember correctly, GitHub does this for you automatically somehow. Or maybe I need to do that through Namecheap. But anyway, there's the next goals. Yeah, I've been sitting down for a while, so I'm gonna do something good for my health. Stand up, get some exercise. And what the hell? I've been doing these kettlebell exercises since spring. If I take a break, they should see that on the stream. It's like a holistic kind of thing I'm trying to do.
Okay.
Okay. My wife is skeptical. That's okay. It's a little bit weird. I'm a little skeptical too, but I'm just gonna go for it. And these are really hard to get at one point. So everybody wanted home workout equipment. Dude being stuck indoors for the pandemic all day. So I tried ordering these from like 3 different places. And the orders were like straight up canceled sometimes. Once I got them, I was thankful to have them though. That's close to 10, right? All right. couple of squats, and back in action. Alright, gotta keep the machine running well, right? Oh, can't be sitting all day. It's bad for your health. Okay. Right, get it right on GitHub pages. Let's get back to that step. Okay. Push origin master. Okay, theoretically it's up there. Let's see, where was I? Let's open a tab. There we are. Okay, so we are on GitHub. Now we need to get on GitHub pages. I think I'm gonna go back to the Jekyll docs. Docs. GitHub. Nope. Oh. Deploying Jekyll to GitHub pages. This is what I want. All right. User and organization pages. Not what I want. Project page. This is what I want. Ooh. Man, it's a bright white screen, isn't it? Okay. Configuring Jekyll in your GitHub pages site. Formatter, themes and plugins, syntax highlighting. Yeah, that wasn't so helpful. Project pages. Maybe we should just dive into this, right? Settings. There we go. GitHub pages designed to host your personal, organizational, or project pages. Currently disabled. Enable it for the master branch. Root. Yep. Save. All right, I already have a GitHub pages page. Yeah, let's see if this runs anyway. 404. Oop. Yeah, it's still running. That's good. Custom domains is indeed what I want. Startup.month.net. All right, there's that HTTPS question we were asking before. Startup.month.net. Save. All right. Moderation settings. Merge button, GitHub pages. Domains DNS record cannot be retrieved. Managing its custom domain name. Click settings, save. Let's create a commit that adds the CNAME file and the root of your publishing source. CNAME, there was. Navigate to your DNS provider and create a CNAME record that points your subdomain to the default domain for your site. This could get a little complicated because I've already got a domain and a GitHub pages. Pointed towards a portfolio site that I have. Advanced DNS. It's being served under this / startup in a month. So maybe I can just append that trailing thing. Well, actually, let's go back over here and copy that. All right, at mwww. Manage. Advanced DNS. All right. So I want both of these to be CNAME records for the at. Let's throw that away. Let's make a new record. CNAME record. at andyfarrellin.github.io. Startup in a month. Not allowed. Fully qualified domain name. Well, it didn't like that, did it? Well, I don't have anyone coming to visit this site anyway, so maybe just get rid of that for now. All right, so here's that one. Let's go in here, settings. And let's turn this off, right? GitHub page is currently disabled. There we go, that should make this a lot easier. Custom domains, yes, save. And it's already in there, so we don't need save. But now we can go back to Namecheap, and we can just do that. Save all changes. All right, cool. Premium DNS. Products. All right. Startup in a month.net. Oh, hello. Are we online? 404, there's an GitHub pages site here. Not yet. So we got successfully changed. We got the record to point towards my GitHub pages page. And now all we need to do is figure out why it's not loaded. So someone who's never used Clojure is going to use it to spawn 12 stars in 12 months. Yeah, I mean, for sure. Ramda, oh man, who is this? Eric Norman. he's got definitely purely functional .tb. And maybe list cast. Have some exposure to all the underlying ideas of Lisp. By the Lambda JavaScript library. And also big fan of Eric Normand's newsletter and podcasts. So I've got some exposure. A little bit of an idea. But yeah, not much hands-on experience with, or to speak of, like a channel and post the link. Promotion. Always promote. Create channel. Startup in a month. Slack. Mission to build 12 startups in 12 months. I've never founded a startup, and I'm a closure newbie. Should be fun, right? Closure. Found a startup and I'm a closure newbie. Should be fun, right? Come join me. Where's a friendly emoji? Maybe just wave. Wave is good. Enter name or email. But I had Pez. All right, cool. Yeah, got a little more promotion out of the way, a little more community work. Community outreach. I'll add one more for good measure. All right, cool. Now back to the task at hand, which is figuring out why this thing isn't running. Test Jekyll Github pages locally. Perfect. All right, install Jekyll, create Jekyll site. Yep, we've done both of those. We've got Ruby, we've got Bundler. Open terminal. Bundle exec Jekyll serve. Yeah, we can get it running locally. I've got that step. We just barely installed the GitHub Pages gem, so I find it hard to believe it's out of date. Let's try running it locally one more time. Bundle exec Jekyll serve. No GitHub API authentication could be found. Nope. Yeah, so we can get it running here. So I'm guessing the problem is going to lie somewhere in my config. So now we get to dive once more into the YAML and read this carefully. May as well change this stuff over here, right? Startup in a month. Title separator. Andy Fry. Try me as I build 12 startups in 12 months. The closure language for startup, and I'm a closure. Okay. URL. Okay. Here's a likely source of problems. We have no URL. Startup in a month.net. I'll just leave that comment there for now as a reference point. Base URL. The subpath of your site, e.g. blog. I think I don't need that just yet. Repository. All right, teaser. Logo. Masthead. Words per minute. It must be for a one of those like reading time estimators you see on news articles sometimes. Discourse, Facebook utterances, reCAPTCHA, search full contents. Sounds like something cool for later. SEO. Twitter, Facebook, social analytics, site author, Andy Fry, avatar. Yeah, I'll add that later. Bio, building 12 startups in 12 months. Using closure script. Use closure. I think we're discovering a tagline for this project as I keep writing this down and formulating it in all the various sources. Location, New York, USA. Email. Should also have a Twitter account eventually, right? Archives. Yeah, I think that's all I need, right? So let's stop this. Let's restart it. Server running once more. Refresh. All right, cool. So we got our changes up. That's good. Now, test for pull before you push. Always pull before you push. All right. Now, how are we looking? Nope, not yet. We're serving it here. Yeah, oriented that, it gives us a redirect, so that's good. So at least the DNS part of this we have figured out. So I suspect the problem lies somewhere with Jekyll. Domain's DNS records cannot be retrieved. Yeah, we did all the CNAME stuff already. Yeah, it's all good. At least I think so anyway. I didn't read it super carefully. Yeah, we got the domain figured out. Set up an Apex domain. Oh. Is that what that A stands for? Never knew that. Domain's DNS record cannot be retrieved. Currently being built from the master branch. Startup in a month.net. Spell it wrong. Startup in a month.net. Oh. Star up. Good God. Okay, well, that'll explain it. Says ready. Ready to be published. TLS certificate is being provisioned. Yeah, so I guess we're just, oh, hello. Certificate active. Are we live? We are. Nice. We're online. Excellent. All right. Excellent. Cool. Well, let's check it off as done, shall we? Done. Done. Sample content. Haven't done the sample content. SSL. Let's do SSL. Force HTTPS. Certificate is not finished being issued. Okay, so I guess that'll come later, right? Oh. Not quite provisioned just yet. These things tend to take a little while to actually get out there, so I think that's actually okay. Yeah, cool, man. We got the blog up. Very good, very good. Thank you, Cliff. Woohoo. All right, I'm gonna grab a glass of water and stretch a little bit, and yeah, I think our next process is gonna be getting a post up. Maybe putting some links over here. Yeah, I think at the very least links to the Twitch page, and then maybe just a basic project description that I can share around. That'll be good. That'll give us something to work off of. And then what I want to eventually do is I want to have some kind of like weekly write-up that I can post here too, with a summary of how things are going and how the progress has been. So that'll be here eventually. But yeah, we'll just get seated with the bare minimum of what we need, and then that'll be good enough. So anyway, see you guys in a few minutes. How to do that? All right, we're back after a brief intermission. Yes, what are we doing? We're adding content to this. Maybe a picture. We're also closing some tabs. So I've got on quite an adventure already. Let's clean up our workspace here so I don't get too confused. We're about to close 18 tabs. You're about to be better for it. Cool, okay. All right. Oh, we got some more tabs to close. Are we all done? Yes, we are. All right. Let's go back to that theme. Minimal mistakes. Let's see what we can do with this. Structure. Whoa. Nothing clever here, huh? Adds data files and includes configuration. Oh, okay, that's what I was looking for. Is there a skin that we like? Dirt skin. Yeah, kind of like dirts. Like mint. I like this one. Strong contender for our theme of choice. Neon, plum. Yeah, man. It's like something I would have made on MySpace or Angel Fire back in the day. Sunrise. Yeah, that's a nice one. So, between sunrise and dirt. Let's go with something warm. I like that. I like something warm in the middle of the winter. Big theme. See if we actually have this. Sunrise. Bundle exec Jekyll serve. It's running on localhost one more time. There we go. Very nice. Nice color theme. I like that. Cliff wanted dirt, huh? Well, not too late to go back to dirt, but maybe we'll work with sunrise for a while. All right. Star up in a month. Let's fix that. An English teacher one time showed me that you shouldn't capitalize a or a two-letter word in a title. I've never really been sure if that was correct or not. I'm gonna keep it for now. Really, it doesn't matter. Okay, so there's something you can't make a change in the config and have it show up in the server straight after. You'd have to like stop and start the server again. That's okay. Won't be touching this too much. There's something about working with posts. Posts are stored in the post directory. Recommended front matter defaults. Excerpt descriptions. Welcome to Jekyll. I assume that becomes the title of the post or the link. Welcome to Jekyll. Yeah, that becomes the link. It's cool to include docs on the framework within the framework itself. Jekyll serve. I got single, yep, title, 12 startups, 12 months. Live stream. Date 1/16/10/27, sure. Categories, Jekyll updates. I don't really need any categories, right? Like I don't need a path. So I think I'll just get rid of that. Read time, comments, share, related. Cool. All right, great. Interesting way to do links. All right, cool. Yeah, let's get this going, shall we? What should I write? All right, great. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the blog and welcome to the project. Yeah, I want to keep that around for a link reference. I wonder if I could just do a normal like markdown link. Yeah, we'll find out. Basically wrote a blog yesterday, so I may as well use some of that copy for this. Barking. I like that word better. That moved on till I have it back in my head for a while. Yeah, 2 stars for bold text, right? And nutshell so far. Here we go. There we are, just normal markdown link works, I guess. Alright, let's see if that hot reloaded. I'm guessing it didn't. Yep. Page not found. Oh, well. Hey, nice. Cool. Alright, here we go, everybody. It just makes a header at the top of the site. Alright, well, don't need this. Title is the header. Alright, cool. So it takes a little while to build. We got the link right. Awesome. All right, cool. Markdown. Link in separate tab. Yeah, there's an interesting test. Can I switch around. Markdown and normal HTML freely using Jekyll. Target is blank. Yes, we can. Excellent. It's super useful being able to use Markdown for the things that's just like, you know, normal unformatted text that I don't need to worry about, and having the option to use like actual HTML as well when I need it. So that's super nice. I really like that. Zip. Yeah, I'd say it's a good, good first effort. Oh, we need a new title for this post, don't we? Name. Stream brings up. But we need the date. Not Markdown. So now we shouldn't have that anymore. But if we go here, nice. That's very nice. I like that a lot. Cool. And just to make sure people can find this quickly when they check out the live stream here. Oh, you can even sign up for an RSS feed. Oh man, this ended up being exactly what I wanted. Cool. Star up. All right, I need to restart the server from before. Start up in a month. Recent posts. All right, very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna call that good enough for the time being. Modified config. And first post. Master. Pull from origin before you push. All right. Awesome. Oh, wait, hold on. Haven't built just yet, but we do have a very significant telling detail in that we've got a HTTPS instead of just HTTP. So that's another goal that we can check off as done. And once it finally builds, well, nice. And we got some sample content out. Done. Oh. Nice, guys, nice. Yeah, we got all of the stuff done. Awesome. Got that all taken care of in the space of the morning, and now I have great basis to launch off of and put more blog posts up, get people more interested in the process, and yeah, no, it's a good step. Good step for sure. Now we tell somebody about this. Zulip Mirabot. What do you do? Run code that listens and posts to your Slack team just as user would. Yeah, that's cool. Now that you used to follow along with the process, as we get deeper to this project to make weekly updates, a summary of the startups for each month, as well as my thoughts on how things. Nice. All right, so we got that. I had a few threads from yesterday I can post this in. Everybody, first day of life. Streaming went very well. Also, set up a blog in the meantime. Live stream, but got a Slack channel that's join if you would like to follow there as well. Write it twice. You can write it once for half the price. Excellent. All right. Let's get some traction on Reddit the other day too. Let's see what's going on there. Thank you, Cliff. Yeah, 2 comments. Formatting, just normal markdown. Cool. Let's see if anyone reads that. Yeah, all right. Well, I think I'll stop the live stream there for the day. Got everything we wanted to do this morning done. Yeah, so it's mostly promotional work. Didn't really work on the app per se, but yeah, having this stuff out there and viewable and having areas to talk about this and promote it and kind of get the news out that this is something I'm doing. Yeah, it's pretty important. You can do this thing in a vacuum and no one knows about it. Yeah, need to have both halves, both the promotional side of things and also the actual building side of things. So yeah, really glad to make progress on the blog. I'll have a link to send out if people are interested in following along. And yeah, we're making good progress. So anyway, that's all for now. I might be back in the afternoon, but otherwise I will catch you guys later. Thanks for joining.